What's good, my beautiful people? So this morning I decide to wake up and I feel hungry. I never really have nothing proper to eat yesterday. So I eat some grape when I come in last night. Now it's actually what time it is now? It is 2:25 right now AM. So I decided to I'll cook some chicken with some dumpling. And we have a one sweet potato over there where I grow. Now I make it grow, we are gonna eat him. So yeah, I cook some chicken with ackee. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet, but I work with the flow. So watch how I go on, come in on my kitchen. And guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And tell a friend, say, Cap over here. Cap over going with things over here. Like you always know, we do everything with our hand. We build, we fix, and we make, and we are cook now too. And sometimes we go cross country, so watch how I go on in my kitchen. My people, so these are the chicken. So I go match it up right now. So I'm gonna match up the chicken, and I'm gonna match up the chicken with some ackee. So they may have the two part we may use. This for the dumpling and this for the chicken, you know what I mean? So yeah, them clean and nice and everything already. So we get the powder seasoning. So we have the all-purpose and Royal Montego. This our reggae country style blend Caribbean seasons, chicken season. Alright, so we're gonna put a sprinkler at every one of them here on it. So rub in the natural seasoning first. And people, I don't know, whole heap of chicken, you know, just whole heap of seasoning. That's whole heap of seasoning. Natural seasoning. So, we put the all-purpose first. Alright. Put the all-purpose and then put the Caribbean chicken seasoning on it. I don't think we're supposed to want nothing more. What is this? Jerk seasoning. Put a little bit of that on it. And then the garlic. People, seasoning them make me nose ripe up. Alright people, so we are gonna rub it in, you know. Rub it in. Yeah. But that's how I go on right now. You can feel a little chill breeze are coming. Chill breeze or the cold. See? Oil in the pot. Alright. That is a little test.
A whisper fades into the climb. Do you hear it? The silent roar. A wave that crashes but wants no shore. Wants no shore. Hold your breath. Let it go. Let it rise. Skyline dreams in your electric eyes. Feel the pull, feel the spark, take the flight with the glow.
Come on, go on and pot people. See me? Yeah. Alright, my people, so flour don't need. I miss out on all of the flour needed in process there. Flour don't need chicken brown and everything, so we are go put the rest of seasoning them in the pot now. You know what I mean? So watch how I go on. I go wash up the plate them and thing and clean up back the spot them, so watch how I go on.
The city's heart, a steady beat. Every echo, every spark, a flame that flickers in the dark. Do you feel it? The endless flow, a world alive beneath the glow. Hold your breath, let it go, let it rise. Skyline dreams in your electric eyes. Feel the pull, feel the spark, take the flight. We're the glow, we're the stars, we
As I can see, counter spotless. Sink clean, rag the need for rings out and thing. Over here so clean. Only thing left for the stove and the floor for clean. So please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Over here we are going with a bag of things, we are going with the self over here. Dumpling them afloat now, so dumpling can come out of the pot right now and go in anything. So thanks for watching. I'm going to show you now when I share out and prepare a food for myself. I'm going to make some juice. You know what I mean? I have a little cranberry juice. I'm going to chew it and make some more with that. So when I go see what I go on, please remember to like the video and share the video and tell a friend to come over to Cap Workshop where we do everything. We cook, do cross country, we build things and we fix things. Anything we hand can do, we do it. We're just not thief. So watch what I go on. I go clean up the place, vacuum up and everything, and we go see what I go on. So yeah people, this is clean. I'm going to think store needs to clean off. Just wait till that cool down and thing. But I have a little thing I want to say. I see a little thing I go around in my social media upon the TikTok with the Jamaican them. As a Jamaican, pro Jamaican, sometimes when bad things are things where I go on in the internet community where don't play to Jamaicans, we don't feel like being a Jamaican at that time. But other rest of times them is a pro Jamaican, love Jamaica to me heart. But the youths them where they are Jamaica, youths them me a talk about now. I see a thing I go on TikTok way. NITRO IMMORTAL. Youth me always are taking him look a video them when he met them. Bro, you don't like what I go on, brother. You can do no work, you can put in the video them and the comedy and the skit them and people watch them and entertain and laugh and love up on the thing I want to get to know, want to forget. But brother, when you reach to a level where you know so-called scam people or chop people or whatever you want to call themselves, mish. I don't know if you call man and pretend say you know a woman to make man selling things. That is not a man behavior. That is a female behavior. Call man and beg them things. When you see a man call man and pretend to be woman and I tell man say you want to do this with them and that with them for that, you is a gay. You is a gay. You have gay mentality. Because if the price is right, you will do whatever the man them want to know follow. So me I tell the man them we have the tendency and in them go look a job, be a man and stop be like a girl. You know want pretty up and look nice and fine and refined. A woman behavior that man feel look rough and tough. Some man feel look at them type of man that the woman them interested in. You see any woman when you see interested in like a fine skin man them and like a tone up. I don't say man if you look good enough, clean and look good enough, but you feel still masculine, brother. You know if you look feminine and you like a tight up pants them and you bleach out self and you know what I mean? Stay masculine, look rough, brother. Stop talk up fine like you're a girl. Talk rough as some man feel look. Woman like man we can protect them. Woman no want no man where them and them a see anything. Them and them a rub on the same. Woman no want none of them man there. They might deal with you because they might have things where they want. But if you ask them, they don't want to know if you settle down with man. Woman want a rough man. Man will talk to them and them have to listen. Me see man and man, yeah your girl. You don't deal again. Your girl and fear mother a quarrel. Fear mother have the same conversation with. What kind of mother is that? My mother could have never. But me I tell you that when you firm up on yourself and believe in or not believe in, stop going like say you know a mish and you know want work, you know want go scam man out of their money. See a woman break up you know, look what it costs on the social media. Yeah, look like a big idiot. Anyway. Done with that. Done cook. Share out the food and I'm gonna see what I go on right now. Alright. Flour dumpling. Hey boy, hey boy. The food. This is food. So you gotta taste it and taste how I go on with the food. Yeah. So you gotta taste the ackee and the chicken. Wonderful. Wonderful. Yeah. Not too salt and not over season. Only thing you want a little pepper. Pepper not hot. But yeah, the kids them can enjoy it. Right. Anyway, guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, and please remember to comment, say something, whatever. And thanks for watching. I'm out.